friends, Tomodachi. So I'm here at Orlando International Airport getting ready to fly out to Japan, and I wanted to bring you a little video showing you a little bit about how this airport is and how this hotel that we're staying at is. So I'm at the Hyatt Regency. It's located inside the Orlando International Airport, and as you can see in the background, there's all kinds of neat stuff here. So it's right in the airport. So as you can see, it's very busy in here. A lot of people milling around. And there's people getting ready to go through the terminal, like to check out for TSA. And here is the inside entrance to the Hyatt Regency. And it's kind of hidden in here, but you just go straight through this way. So that's where I'm gonna go. So we've been checked into the hotel for a couple of hours now. And I'm trying to talk a little bit louder so you can hear with this mask on. But here's people right here waiting to go through the TSA terminal. Let me turn it back around. So as you can see, people are waiting to go through the checkout. It's connected to the hotel. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs. So I decided not to go to the fitness gym because there's people in there and I don't want to disturb them. So we'll just go on up to the floor where my I'm sure it's for any gate. So they have a restaurant on this floor. Again, you can see down into the hotel lobby, the airport actually. It's kind of like a maze. It's a pretty big hotel. And there's a really nice view over here out this window. Okay, so this is the walkway to our room. And I'm just gonna show you a little bit how this courtyard looks. Really quiet in here, surprisingly, because of the planes taking off and stuff, but it's been really quiet. So we're in room 9043. So we've already been here for a couple of hours. We had to do a pre-flight COVID test. And so let me show you a little bit here. So this is the area where you hang your clothing and put your baggage. There's the ironing board and the beautiful comfy beds. Now these beds do have really neat lighting. So it has the headboard and then the lighting. And then they have these unique little reading lights that you can, you know, put on if you don't want to keep the other person awake. So we have the little area for your keys and everything and phones. And here's the charging station. And of course this bed has all the same, you know, lighting. Here's the TV, and we have it to the World of Hyatt channel. There's a little desk and a little stool right here. A nice little desk area for writing. Up here you have the extra blankets, your safe. And I have a Hyatt card, so I get the free bottled water and coffee and stuff whenever I'm at a Hyatt. Coffee maker, and then a little refrigerator for drinks. Now they gave me a free upgrade to this balcony, an outward facing balcony. So I was really surprised about that. It was really nice. Get a lot of perks when you're a Hyatt card member. And so let me take you out here. It's big, actually. So you can hear out here the planes. There's one taking off right here. But inside the room, you can't hear anything hardly. There's a plane. It looks like it's landing or it's taxiing over that way. And you can see the city of Orlando, I believe, is down, the downtown area is down that way. We're parked over here on this 4th level, actually. So it's a pretty big balcony. There's a couple of chairs out here. It's really nice out today, really sunny. That's what you expect from Florida. But see how quiet it is in here? Other than the TV, you really can't hear the planes. So really happy about this. It's so much more convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, oh, I wanted to show you these cute little things. These are little hooks that go flat and then come back out. And this right here is the bathroom. You have nice toiletries here. That right there. Nice shower. I like the shower head. Everything's really clean. And somebody's at the door. All right, so that was room service, leaving something at the door, and I just had to take that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I do wanna just share one thing. So we're leaving here on a flight at 6:15 in the morning that goes to Atlanta. Then we have a 5-hour layover at Atlanta, at the Atlanta airport. So that's a long layover. And then we'll take the final flight all the way into Tokyo to Haneda. So I'm looking really excited about it, but it's going to be a journey and a half for sure. So we gained 13 hours of time. So it's Tuesday night here in Central Florida, but by the time we get to Tokyo, it's going to be 4:35 p.m. on Thursday because of the 13-hour increase. So I look forward to seeing everyone in Japan, and I look forward to bringing some more videos to you with some great content and sharing some of this trip with you. Thanks for watching. Ciao mata.